Hello everyone, my name is Hershey and today I wanted to talk a little bit about iFrames and how to add this option onto your Hub site. So iFrame is basically a HTML element which allows you to embed external documents right into your HTML page. So this external document could be an advertisement, a third-party app, or an infographic or a story map that you might have created. The greatest thing about this option is you do not need any HTML knowledge or expertise. All you need is the HTTPS address of the external document, and you can directly embed it into your initiative or your site page. Just to show you how the iFrame option works, I have created a sample story map using my community analyst account. So, as you know, you get about 5 free community analyst identities with your Hub Premium account, and this is a great option if you want to explore the different sites or locations and create really cool infographics or story maps, as I have done here. So this particular story map kind of explores 4 or 5 sites that I am kind of analyzing for understanding how suitable they are as cleanup locations. I have also included the attributes and some really cool infographics of demographics in that particular area. So now I go back to my Hub site and pick the iFrame options, which is available in the layout option, and embed it into one of the existing rows. Now, as you can see, the settings automatically open up, and all you have to do is input the URL of the story map and it will directly get embedded onto your Hub site. So I go back to my analyst account, copy the story map link and paste it here. And that's it. As you can see, the story map is embedded right into my Hub site, and you can also give the option of auto scrolling. So now anyone who is accessing my initiative page will be able to access this particular story map as well. You can also go in and increase or decrease the iframe height as per your requirements or as per the theme of your particular page or initiative. So I usually like keeping it a little bit larger, so I usually prefer 500 as my iframe height, but it's totally up to you however you want to customize it. So yes, this is one of the really nice, cool option for you to embed an external document right onto your initiative page. And it's not just the story map. You could very easily embed a document such as an article from a third party that you really enjoyed and you want to share. So you can do all of that using the iFrame option.